Most people think AI is magic, but actually, AI works exactly like a professional cricket team. Today, I will explain artificial intelligence, machine learning, LLMs, prompts, token, vectors, NLP, everything using only cricket. Interesting? So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is like a smart cricket coach. This coach doesn't play, observe thousands of matches, he studies patterns, then he gives prediction and advice. AI does the same. It studies massive amount of data, it finds patterns, then it predicts the most likely answers. What is machine learning? Machine learning is how the coach improves over time. If the coach watches 10 matches, basic understanding 1000 matches, better understanding 100,000 matches, expert understanding. So, the machine learning means learning from data without being manually programmed. The more data, the better predictions. So, now what is supervised versus unsupervised learning? Supervised learning. Imagine coach is given match 1. This shot was wrong. Match 2. This was incorrect timing. He learns with answers provided. That's supervised learning. Unsupervised learning. Now imagine the coach watches 10,000 matches but no one tells him what is right or wrong. He finds pattern himself. That type of bowler often dismissed left-handers. That's unsupervised learning. Now what is NLP? Natural language processing. Now you ask the AI, how can I improve my cover drive? Before answering, AI must understand your language. NLP is like a translator inside the cricket coach's brain. It understands grammars, meanings, context. Without NLP, AI cannot understand human language. Fair enough? Now, what is token? When you say how to improve cover drive, AI breaks into small pieces. How improve cover drive? These small pieces are called token, like breaking cricket innings into overs. Small pieces makes analysis easier. It's good. Now what is vector? Now comes the powerful part. Each word is converted into numbers. Cover drive becomes a set of numbers. These numbers are called vectors. Why? Because computer don't understand words, they understand numbers. Vectors is mathematical meaning of a word. So now the flow. NLP, token, vector, AI knowledge, then output. Let's connect everything. You ask a question, NLP understand language, sentence breaks into token, token converts into vectors, natural network process pattern, AI predict best possible answers, final response generated. Exactly like player ask coach, coach analyze memory, find patterns, gives advice. Fair enough? Now, what is neural network? A neural network is like a cricket strategy team. Batting coach, bowling coach, fielding coach, data analyst. Each layer process information, then final decision is made. If there are many layers, it is called deep learning. What is LLM? Large language model is like a cricket coach who has watched millions of matches, read every cricket book, analyze every player. Because of massive training, it can generate detailed answer. Example, ChatGPT is an LLM trained on massive text data. Now, what is prompt engineering? If a player asks how to bat, he gets a general answer. If he asks, I struggle against left arm fast bowler swinging the ball in the last 5 overs, what should I improve? He gets a precise answer. Prompt engineering asking smart questions to get better answer. Better questions, better AI output. Understand? Now, what is a hallucination? Sometimes the coach might guess wrongly. If he never saw a rare bowler type, he might give wrong advice. AI does the same. It predicts based on probability, not guaranteed truth. That mistake is called hallucination. Now, what is RAG? Retrieval Augmented Generation. Now, imagine instead of guessing, the coach checks official match record first, then answer. That's RAG. AI retrieves real document first, then generate answers based on verified data. More reliable. So now, is AI responsible? Imagine if the coach only studied matches from one country. His advice would be biased. AI trained on biased data can produce biased output. Responsible AI means fair, safe, transparent, privacy protected. AI must not harm people. Now, what is training versus inference? Training. Coach studying thousands of matches. Inference. Coach giving advice during live match. Training happen once. Inference happens when you ask questions. Now you have so many questions. Google versus AI. Google is like a cricket library. You ask best cover drive technique. Google gives you links. AI is like a cricket coach. It reads everything, understands, then gives you a direct answer. Google retrieves, AI generates. Now we have so many questions. Narrow AI versus AGI. So let me explain you. Today's AI is like a batting specialist, very good at one thing, but it cannot feel emotions, have consciousness, think like human. Artificial general intelligence AGI, true human like level intelligence does not exist it. So now AI is not magic. It is data, mathematics and pattern recognition. Just like a cricket coach analyzing thousands of matches, it, it does not think, it predicts. And the future belongs to people who understand how it works. Thank you.